Hello everyone, welcome back to Express VT for All. In this video, we are going to solve a basic DSA problem. The question is count the number of even and odd in a list. In this question, we are counting how many even and odd numbers are present in a list using a simple loop and condition. So, public class main public static void main string arguments. So this is the basic syntax to write any code or program in the Java. So you must know the basic of the Java. So now let's start to solve this question. Array equals to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So here we are creating an array list of integers. This list contains the numbers that we want to check as even or odd. Int even count which is equals to 0. So this variable store the count of even number initially set to 0 because we have not checked anything yet. That's why we are storing the count of even numbers like that. Int odd count equals to 0. So this variable store the count of odd numbers and also initialize to 0. Now we are using for loop to traverse the list which is given here. So for int num equals to 0, num less than array dot length num plus increment. So with this this is a for loop. It takes one number at a time from the array and store it in the num. Now if num modulo 2 equals to 0, what happened there? Here we check one condition. This is the modulus operator. It gives the remainder. If remainder is 0, then the number is even. So if remainder is 0, here we are even count. If the number is even, we increase even count by 1. If the number is not even, it means it's odd. If the number is not even, it means it's odd. So else odd. So for odd number, we increase odd count by 1. Now this bracket close the if else block and loop. Now we are printing our statement which is system dot out dot println. First we print even element. So even element or are there. This is for space between two elements, and we can just say as even count like that for odd. Now we copy this one, we just paste it here. In place of even, we are represented as odd. So odd, and here even. So this is the proper code to find the numbers of even and odd in a list. So now first save this, control S, main dot java. Now we execute it. You can directly go to the terminal according to the control alt and n. These three keys pressed at the same time. So now you can clearly see that even elements are there in 4 and odd elements are there is 4. It means in this list 1 is odd, 3 is odd, 5 is odd and 7 is odd. Like that 2 is even, 4 is even, 6 is even and 8 is even. So like that you have to solve this kinds of problem. These simple questions and concepts many times asked in the interviews and technical round. So you must know how to solve these kinds of questions. So thank you for watching our video. Please subscribe Express Video for All.